Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, back with a new video for a unboxing of a PC case. What I purchased is the GAMDIAS PC case. I bought this on Amazon for roughly 50 bucks. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but I was in a hurry to get something. It was overnight shipped, and it includes fans. It's all LED. My previous case is just busted. The USB ports fell into the actual case. It was held together with freaking hot glue, and it was just time to upgrade. So I'm gonna unbox this thing, show you guys what it looks like, get it all built with my previous components, power it up, and then give my review and final thoughts of what I think of the thing. So let's get the box set up here. Now this is a mid-tower. When I purchased it, I thought it was a full ATX, like full-size tower, but it's a little bit smaller. Do notice right off the bat, its box is kind of munched. It's banged up, but hopefully they packaged it nicely. So let's get this unboxed, taken out, and take a look at it. Always use child-friendly scissors. I know some people like to use daggers, swords, knives. I use children's scissors to unbox everything. It's probably more dangerous that way. Alright, come on. Especially when you face scissors toward you. So here is the case. Three fans built into the front, one fan in the back. You are able to put additional fans into this thing. All the buttons and USB ports are on the top of the unit. Everything appears to be mesh and should be pretty good airflow. That's the bottom. So I'm going to get my components from my previous PC, put them in here, get this powered up, and see how it all looks. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the inside of the chassis with nothing put into it yet. I gotta dig out all the screws and cables and everything that appears to be hidden back there. There's my giant cat. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing all put together, and do want to note there is no instructions for this. I don't know if that's standard, but do know that if you're a beginner to putting computers together, I wish you luck. Hopefully this will help you out, but I'll show you what all the components look like inside when I get them transferred over. Alright guys, so this is the completed build. Everything got swapped over just fine, except for the two hard drives I had. This unit here only has space for 2 hard drives. Of course you can put some SSDs in there, but as far as what I had prior, I had 4 hard drives, so I did have to get rid of a couple of them, and I will eventually have to bite the bullet and buy some SSDs. But as far as the unit goes, it looks great. Please disregard the cable management in the back. The one thing I would change with this unit is the fact that the fans are always running. I was kind of confused when I put this thing together. It uses a SATA cable, and that is powered on all the time. I tried plugging the cables to the motherboard and they would not power on. So I may have to look into getting a controller of some sort to be able to control these fans better. But overall, it's okay. They were free with the unit, and they do have a variety of different colors. So let me show you that. There's a button on the top here, so you can change all the different settings. Or have them off. For the time being, I really like the blue and purple as usual, favorite colors. So I'm going to stick with that. And overall, it's a really nice unit. A little bit cramped in there, but it looks great. So hopefully you guys like that video. If you do want to pick one of these units up, I'm gonna have them listed in the description below. Like I said, this was just an affordable, quick shipped case that I had purchased. I didn't put a whole lot of thought into it. I probably would have picked something with the 4 hard drive space instead of 2, but I'm really an old schooler, so I'm gonna compensate the 2 hard drive loss and eventually throw some SSDs in there. Plenty of room to expand. I can probably put new fans in there if I wanted to, but the 4 it comes with are great. Do recommend this case for the price. It's a lot of bang for your buck. So if you guys like that video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.